I got my little Maja Dadan Maka help kela to make a toast today. I'm going to raise it to you. Lara was like, Nago Savi, toast to raise kurpaso, Zata logo, Puro, Ani Gutsu, Ani Goiru.
Now do what you do, get loud, go ahead, get loose, get down to business, tell everyone, nothing's off limits, you can have anything you want.
That poor handsome Matthew. Let me tell you an inside secret. This man has been to the salon 3 times this week to get his hairstyle
You
right.
can have anything you want.
And Lara, well, she's the definition of a gorgeous bride. Put your hands together for Lara Colasso!
Anything you want. Tell everyone, you can have anything you want.
In the year 1995, when I came to know that I have a baby sister, my joy knew no bounds.
Feel the warmth of
And our family thought that God has sent us a Barbie doll to play with. She was talented, and we all thought she's going to be an artist or a celebrity just like her dad. But Lara also has this kind nature of her mom. She is selfless, she wants to help others, and she's just like her mom, Sebastiana. That's why I think Lara decided to be a nurse. So she decided to join the Majorda Parish Youth. And she went to church and to the parish youth to draw close to... Nare! She went to the youth, Atta Sanglamare, to go close to Matthew. With his amazing football skill, tackling the boys one at a time before they reach Lara. Like Ronaldo, he takes towards the goal with his sweet words. Poila 5,000 watt smile, he goes towards the goal and scores the goal and sweeps my sister off of her feet. Well, ever since I know this boy, he has been the life of the party. He's friends, not only with the grown-ups, the boys his age, he's also friends with the little kids. Like, just let's give a shout. Who are Matthew's supporters here?
A lot of words you said. Thank you, Mo, for these beautiful words and for being everything. Standing here as your husband today. You brought so much love, laughter, meaning into my life. And I can't wait to spend forever with you.
If you know Lara and Matthew as a couple, they're extremely romantic. They leave each other sweet little love notes. They buy each other gifts, which I think is a ridiculous amount of lots of pairs of shoes. So here's to a night, filled with fun and dancing and love. Let us raise a toast to Matthew and to Lara, the perfect blend of love and laughter and a lifetime to spend. Lara is the boss. We all know it's true. And Matthew is just thrilled because he got to say, I do. We all know that Matthew is Lara's Moog. But if you make her angry, Zatolo tuzo. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Hip hip.
Way to do the things that make you feel good. Gotta think about it. Gotta dream about it. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel good. Gotta think about it. Gotta dream about it. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel good.
How I'm feeling. I can't express how I'm feeling. Like, been waiting for this day for a long time, and knowing that I'm finally married to the love of my life feels really special, and yeah, just can't express. I'm so happy. He made me fall in love when I didn't even know that I wanted to fall in love or what I wanted. He was always there, always, always. Anything, just a phone call. He understands me so well. Even when I can't even describe how I'm feeling, but he'll know something is wrong. Even when I don't say it to him, he will know something is wrong, and he will try his level best to make it up, to make me happy, to make me comfortable. I've been a sick baby many times, and the way he took care of me, even in UK, like when nobody is there, he is the one just there, and his presence whether he does something or not, but his presence in the house over there or anywhere just brightens up my day. And knowing that he's there with me for the rest of my life right now that I'm married to him. I can't express how happy I am today to be married to you and to know that I'm going to be with you for the rest of my life. We made it to the altar today.
We made it.
Thank you for being my constant support, my everything. For everything you've done, for everything you've been, and for always supporting me. Each and every career move, each and every promotion, he has been my biggest supporter, my biggest cheerleader. And I'm always thankful and grateful for being there. And I love you. I promise to keep each and every vow we made at the altar. Promise to love you for the rest of our lives, rest of mine.
Yeah, Chitita.
Mix ulo iladat mere kite.
Boni orsal, so orsal.
Matthew, I've already made it clear. She gets one tear in her eye and you're finished.